Hi, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. I hope you guys are not stressing so much. It's only a few days when this ad starts for the holidays. So I really want to wish you guys early happy holidays. We're going to be going on a trip. So I want to make sure that you guys are set with a good ad. This ad is pretty short. It's only 8 pages, but there's still some good deals in case you want to take advantage of those deals. I'm going to try to make it as easy for you guys. I'm going to show, I did a little different, something different on this video. I'm going to be showing you the ad, and then I'm going to show you the deals. That way when you go through the store, you know exactly where it's at in the ad, how it looks like, to make it much easier. And as you know, I also like to include a printable list just to make it even easier for you, so you guys could really spend more time on what you guys like to do, or not to make couponing stressful. So let's get started, and also let me know if you guys like how the video is set. Just let me know in the comment section. So this ad starts December 22nd to December 28th. This is for the CVS ad. The printable list is going to be provided in the description box, and that's going to be included below. So before we get started, there's so many great deals, and these deals, what makes it a lot helpful is using these CRTs. So I'm just gonna give you an idea. One of the what those CRTs may look like is the one for lotion, for food, for cosmetics, General Mills, coffee, body wash, snacks, and food, and toilet paper. So if you have any of these CRTs, they might really help bring down your total. So we're gonna get started with the CVS ad. And like I show you that this video is going to be a little different. I'm going to show you exactly what the ad looks like, and the offer we're going to be talking about. This is for CVS Pharmacy, and the deal we're going to be talking about is for the L'Oreal Cosmetics. This one is spend 15 get 5, and it's a limit of 1. So how you could get this maybe free and moneymaker is by, you don't even need manufacturer coupons, you just need CRTs. So just buy the lash serum solution. This one, it is considered a cosmetic, and this one retails for $14.99. The CRTs you're going to be using, which I did get, and remember the CRTs are printed depending on the CVS card. Some people may get better coupons, better CRTs. Sometimes you may get a buy one get one foundation or product. I have not received any of those, so this does vary by CVS card, but if you did get similar ones, this will be a very good deal. I got 2 of the L'Oreal Paris Lash Serum. I got one for 4 and one for 2, so I took advantage of that. And then the next week, on Sunday, this one printed for me. This one is the L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics, deducting 5 off 15, so I took advantage of all those CRTs. I did this deal on my haul for December 12th, December 15th, since it's the same deal going on for December 22nd. So be on the lookout in case you get any of these on Sunday, and you compare it with the ones you got this week. I hope that makes sense. If you only have these 2 and you don't have a $2 CRT, what you could do is go to the L'Oreal Paris website, and you could just sign up and print a coupon, and the coupon is usually $2 off any L'Oreal product, and then you might be able to use that manufacturer from the L'Oreal Paris website and pair it with these 2 CRTs, so you could pay just $3.99. Once you pay $3.99, you're gonna get back a 5 ECB that prints at the end of your receipt, making it free, and $1.01 money maker. The next deal we're going to talk about is the journal. As you can see, the journal 12-inch pizza. I love it that it's a 12-inch. This is the big box, and it excludes stuff crossed. This one buy 2 get 2, and it's a limit of 1. So what we're gonna do, the best deal idea is to buy 2 for 11. And if you, depending what coupon you may have, maybe you got this coupon from the Retail Me Now December 8, deducting $1.50 off 1. If you got these coupons, they use 2 of those, and then pair it with this CRT, stack it with this CRT 3 off 10 any food. We keep getting this for weeks now, faithfully. I believe every card, I feel like I keep getting it every week. So now you will pay $5, but remember you're gonna be getting 2 ECB, making it 3 or a dollar or $1.50. Another option, if you don't have those coupons, look in your CVS app to see if you have this manufacturer coupon deducting 5 when you buy 3. So the next deal we're gonna go to in the ad, now we're gonna go to another page, and the one we're gonna look at is selected Eucerin or Aquaphor. This one is spend 20 get 10, and it's a limit of 1. This one we keep seeing for a few weeks now as well. I just did this deal as well on my last video on my haul for December 15. But if you want to take advantage of this deal as well, you could go ahead and do this deal for this ad starting December 22nd. You could buy these lotions, the daily hydration or skin calming. You want to reach $20, so in this case we will reach $20.58. The coupons you could use is the one from Retail Me Now December 8, deducting 4 off 2, and you could pair it with a CRT deducting 3 off 10 for lotion if you have that CRT. So then you will pay $13.58, but you're gonna get back 10, making it $3.58 or $1.79 each. But if you don't have that coupon and you prefer to get the coupon from their website, that you could just save up to $3.50 once you share that coupon, just buy the same items of $20.58. Use 2 of those coupons deducting $3.50 after you share and you print it. So use 2 of those and then pair it with that CRT deducting 3 off 10. You will pay $10.58, but you're going to get back 10, making it 58 cents for both, or just 29 cents each. A great deal if you still have these coupons and you have a nice CRT. Now going through the ad, the next deal we're going to talk about is, of course, cosmetics. So we're going to be going over the deals for Covergirl, spend 15 get 7, and I think that's a pretty good deal. Check your CVS app in case you have an app only coupon for Covergirl mascara. There was also CRTs for 3 off 15 Covergirl, so that will be great to pair it and stack it with this deal. So what you could do is buy the powder for $8.69 and buy the mascara for $6.79. That will give you a total of $15.48, which is perfect because that's all we need to reach is 15. And we're going to be using coupon from SmartSource December 8th. One coupon is going to deduct 2 for foundation or powder, and another coupon is going to deduct 2 off mascara. You stack it with this app only coupon from Covergirl deducting $1.50, and you stack it with that CRT deducting 3 off 12. So now you will pay $6.98. But you're going to get back 7 ECB, making it free. So we have a freebie even on this small ad. So let's see what else, what other deal is there. We're going to continue on that same page in the ad. And the product we're going to go to and try to see a deal is for Rimmel, spend 12, get 8. And that's also a limit of 1. So we don't need any coupons for Rimmel, and to be honest, we have not been receiving any coupons for Rimmel or any CRTs either. So this one is spend 12 get 8. So buy the powder. This is a loose powder. It's a translucent, I believe. Hopefully it's translucent. Then maybe they have some with different colors, but I love the translucent instead. It's really good for sealing in the concealer. I love to put a little bit of powder, or at least a little bit, even on oily skin. I know that was too much. But for the, and then get an eye primer for $4.99. This is perfect. If you're gonna do any type of eye makeup, I always like to put concealer or eye primer before I do my eye makeup. So together you reach $11.98, so it's close to the $12. You don't need any coupons, but you could use this CRT for cosmetics. Hopefully on Sunday we get some CRTs for Rimmel, so just be in the lookout for that. So now you will pay $8.98 using that CRT. You're gonna get 8 ECB, making it 98 cents or 49 cents each. Continue on with the ad. This is the last page in the ad, but remember the ad may vary by region, so you may get it in a different order. So this is the last page, and on this one we're going to focus now on selected General Mills cereal. This cereal, as you see, is selected, but this is perfect because we need Lucky Charms and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. To be honest, I love both of those. they're going to be on special for $1.99. And I have a rule that anytime when I start couponing, my cereal needs to be $1, or less than $1, and that will be a good deal. So this will be a good deal. Buy two, one of each, Lucky Charm and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So now your total is $3.98. There is a coupon Smart Source 1124, but to be honest, we get a lot of these coupons from General Mills. It's very so often in our inserts and also printable. Then you could stack it with this CRT if you have it, 1 off 5 any General Mills cereal. So now from $3.98 you're gonna pay $1.98, but then you're gonna submit it to Fetch Rewards, and these are the cashback offers or the points rewards that I saw in my app. They're gonna give you back 500 points for Lucky Charm cereal and 500 points for Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's why I wanted to buy one of each, because I want to really take advantage of these points. So once you submit it to Fetch Rewards, you should be able to get back 1,000 points, which equals to $1. If you're new to Fetch Rewards, you can use my promo code and you might get 2,000 points or 4,000 points, but whatever the promotion may be once you sign up, and that equals to $2, and you could just redeem those for a gift card. So that's a good way to get a free gift card just for signing up. So once you submit it to Fetch Rewards, you're gonna get back 1,000 points, which equals to $1. So now the final price will be 98 cents or 49 cents each. So then the next one that we're going to talk about, which is still on that same page, the last page in the ad, we're going to go over the Javalia 10 to 12 ounce a bag, and as you see it's $4.99. You're not going to get any ECB, but I believe this is a pretty good deal if you use that CRT that we keep getting every week. Javalia, I've seen it for almost double that price in Publix, so that will be $9.98. You could use that CRT deducting 2 off A, making it $7.98 or just $3.99 each. So on the ad, we're going to continue with the Ricola or Halls. This one is buy one, get one 50% off. We're not getting any ECBs for this deal, but it's still a pretty good deal if you have Checkout 51, which is another app. This one, it is a cashback. Full relief is included, but you could do is buy one for $3.39 if that's the price in your store, and the other one is going to be $1.70. So together that will be $5.09. But the way we're going to be able to save is if you have a CRT. I got a CRT that says $1.50 off Ricola, so then you will pay $3.59. Then you can submit your receipt to Checkout 51. That is giving back $1 cash back, but it has to be full relief, and you see that in the picture. And you can claim this up to 2 times. So since you're buying 2, you should get back $2 from Checkout 51, making it $1.59 or 80 cents each. Continue on with the ad. This is another page as well. And in this one, we're going to focus on soft soap body wash, 15 to 18 ounce, or liquid hand soap. This one is buy one, get one 50% off. And if you buy 2, you will get 3 ECB. And you could do this deal up to 4 times since the limit is of 4. If you're able to sign up to soft soap and print the coupons there. So if you're able to use those coupons, buy 2 of the soft soap. One should be $4.99. The other one should be $2.50. If that is the price in your store. Together that will be $7.49. Use those printable coupons and use this CRT that says 2 off 6 body wash, since we are paying $7.49, so it does qualify. And check your app. There is a coupon that says app only or in app for 50 cents for soft soap. So if you are able to stack up with all those coupons, then you will pay $3.99, but you're going to get back 3, making it 99 cents or just 50 cents each. Another section that we're going to go to is Blue Diamonds. We've been seeing this deal for weeks now, 2 for $5, and it does say Blue Diamond Almond 6 ounce. So the best deal what we could do is buy 4 for $2.50, and that will be 10. And the reason why we want to buy 10 is because we want to take advantage of this CRT. So use 2 coupons deducting $1.50 off 2. This should be found in the Smart Stores November 24. And this coupon doesn't expire till January. So I'm loving that. And then stack that with this CRT here, deducting 3 off 10 since we're buying 10. Now you should pay 4. You don't get any ECBs. So this equal to $1 per can, which is a pretty good deal. Going through the ad, another page, and we are going to focus on, I believe this was the second page in the ad. The Charmin and Bounty, these are for $6.99. Spend 20, get 5, and it's a limit of 1. 3 for $6.99 says you do need to buy 20, so you reach $20.97. Use 2 of the digitals, 1 for each, and use 2 of a toilet paper or paper towels. Let's say you got one this Sunday that printed on December 15th. And since this has been printing faithfully like every week, you could stack this with another one that should print on December 22nd. So if your card prints one also for December 22nd and you have one from that printed on December 15th, you should stack those because it's 2 of 8. And once you buy, if you stack them, you just need to buy 16, and we're buying $20 worth. So use 2 of those, so that should deduct $4, and with the digital should deduct 2. So you should pay $14.97 and get back 5 ECB, making it $9.97 for all 3, or $3.32 each. So going through the ad, now we are going to see Frosted Flakes. As you see, this also has been on special for a few weeks for $1.99. This one, it says selected Kellogg cereal, so on Sunday we just have to see which one is included, but at least we know that most of them are $1.99. So the best deal what we could do is go to Kellogg's Rewards. There are so many coupons there that are high value, 70 cents off one. And if these are included, then that's going to be the highest savings you will have. So you can use 4 of those for 70 cents in kellogg'sfamilyrewards.com. And then pair it with the CRT saying 3 of 10 any food items. So now you will pay from $10, you will pay $4.20, which is a great deal, making this $1.05. I know my rule for cereal is $1 or less, but $1.05 is not bad at all. And then you could submit your receipt to Kellogg's Family Rewards. That way you get incentive. You could get gift cards. You get points, and with those points you could redeem it for gift cards, or you could redeem it for high value coupons that are $1 off one. So great way for you to take advantage. If you're buying this already, just submit it to Kellogg's Family Rewards. I did a video about that. If you're interested to see how that works, I will provide it in this section. That way you could check it out. So this is everything. These are all the best deals. Even though the ad is small, there's still some good deals there, and we might get even better coupons or CRTs on Sunday. So the printable coupons that I have, I'm going to provide them in the description below. The shopping list, which is the printable list, and the cashback that I mentioned, all is going to be provided below. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, for giving me some of your time to watch this video. I truly appreciate that. And if you're new, I invite you to subscribe, and if you like this type of video, you can give it a thumbs up. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful week and getting ready for the holidays, and until the next video, bye.